Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix links not opening in Google Chrome. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Now, if you're having this issue, this can be down to a few different reasons. So for examples, it could be the settings or the default app configuration or extension conflicts. So what we need to do is sometimes a simple restart resolves temporary glitches, so go ahead and restart Chrome. You can even do a force start, so click and hold it down, click on I, and now from here click on force stop on the bottom right hand corner, and then go ahead and reopen Google Chrome. Now the next step we can do is click and hold down Google Chrome, click on the I to get an app info, scroll down, click into storage and clear cache. So a simple clear cache can fix unresolved issues. Another thing what we need to do is go to our Play Store or App Store and make sure Google Chrome is updated to the latest software version as well. And if all else fails, go ahead and reinstall Chrome. So just delete it completely off your device, go to your Player App Store and re-download it.